Hello, Kimara Hashiv and you, Ismisha Joseph. Hi, how are you? I'm Joseph. Today, we're going to talk about Shaw and Shin, this and that. We're going to go over some examples, but Shaw can mean this is, and Shin can also mean that is. So we don't have to worry about putting is in separately, and also there's no plurals. So in English, you have these and those for this and that, but we have none of that in Gaelic. Let's look at some examples now so you can see. Seo an siomar acum, sin na yorichin acum, sin na yorichin acum, sin na yorichin acum. Seo am piano acum. Seo am piano acum. Sin am baga acum. Hami a glanag a piano acum. Hami a glanag a piano acum. As you could see there in the last part, I said, I'm cleaning my piano. Now, this is where grammar gets a little bit tricky. With all of these examples, I used the possessive in Gaelic at me. For example, the books that are at me. Or more or less, you could say the books that I have, or the piano that I have, the piano that's at me. Some people in modern Gaelic use mo to mean my. I was always taught that we shouldn't do that unless it's part of the body. But more and more people are talking about using mo. For example, mobaga, or it's kind of borrowed from English, but it should really be lenited, movaga. So it gets a little bit complicated. So it's safer to use, for example, Seo baga acum. This is my bag. This is the bag at me. And there we are. It's very easy. You just say Seo and Shin for this and that, and then you add the thing. And if it's a possessive, you can put at me or at him or whoever at the end. We'll do possessives another time. But for now, Chiri and Drazda.